Jai Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 6th, subject Maths. I think in the previous video we just started to our new topic, that is area. So before starting I will just revise. We are studied in the mensuration chapter about perimeter. Okay, perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. Then perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. Perimeter of regular polygon is equal to number of sides multiplied by length of side. Okay, now we have started the new topic, that is area. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. So see here I have written definition here, and you have to write these notes in your CW copy. Okay, in these notes I have given the definition and all the important points when we are using the graph paper for calculating the area. Okay, so these are the rules. So once again I will read the rules. Yesterday we already studied these rules, but for revision I will read it. The area of one full square is taken as 1 square unit. If it is in centimeter, one full square will be 1 square centimeter. Ignore the portion of the area that are less than half a square. If more than half a square is in it a region, it count it as a 1 square. 1 centimeter, 1 square centimeter. Okay, 1 square or 1 square centimeter. Just 1 minute. Okay, if it exactly half square, it is counted as its area as a half square unit. Okay, so in the by following this rule we have solved exercise 10.2. Now we will start our new topic, that is area of rectangle. So if with the help of square paper can we tell what will be the area of the rectangle whose length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So yes, so for what is the process for it? Okay, so we have to draw the rectangle on graph paper having say 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter square. Okay, the rectangle, when we draw the rectangle on the graph paper, what we find out here? So the rectangle covers 15 square completely. Okay, so let's see. The area of rectangle is 15 square centimeter. Okay, so which can be written as 5 into 3, that is 15 square centimeter. So see here, this is the length and this is the breadth. So it total if we draw this rectangle on the square paper, then it is, if we count this all sorry, all this square, it is 15. So I have to count, or you are agree with me? Fine, you can count it, it definitely 15 square centimeter. Okay, the measure of the sides of the some of the rectangles have given. Find the areas by placing them on graph paper by counting the number of square. So what do we inform from this? So first of all we will solve. If the length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 4, see here, this is the 3 centimeter, and if it is 4 centimeter, then the area enclosed by the square units will be 12. So the area will be 12 square centimeter. If the length is 7 and the breadth is 5, then it is 7 5 the 35 square unit. If the length is 5 and breadth is 3, then it is 15 square centimeter. Okay, so what we find here, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Get it? Next, without using the graph paper, can we find the area of rectangle whose length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 4? Of course. because it is possible, as we got this formula, that is area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So we can find it with the help of the formula, that is area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is 6 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter, that is 24 square centimeter. Okay, always remember area is always in square, whether it may be meter, centimeter or kilometer. Get it? Now, till now we are discussing about the area of rectangle. Now we are discussing about the area of square. So let's now consider a square of side 4 centimeter. So see the figure, it is already drawn on the graph paper. Okay, it is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So let's see here. Let's now consider a square of side 4 centimeter. What will be its area? If we place it on a centimeter graph paper, then what do we observe? It covers 16 squares. That is, the area of the square is equal to 16 square centimeter. That means 4 into 4, that is 4 for the 16 square centimeter. Calculate area of a few squares by assuring the length of one side square by yourself. Okay, find the area using graph paper. So what we will find? Same here. Okay, next. We find that in each case area of the square is equal to side into side. You may use this formula for doing problems. So let's start the exercise. So it is the solve examples given in book. So first of all we will discuss it and then solve the exercise. Find the area of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. So what things we have to find here? Area of rectangle. What things are given here? Length and breadth of the rectangle is given. So first of all we have to write the given things. Length of a rectangle is equal to 12 centimeter. Breadth of a rectangle is equal to 4 centimeter. Now area of rectangle is equal to, what is formula? Length into breadth. So length is 12 centimeter, breadth is 4 centimeter. Okay, so 12 4 is 48 square centimeter. Clear? See here, always you have to write the unit in square, whether it may be centimeter, meter or kilometer. Get it? So next example 14. Find the area of square plot of side 8 meter. So solution, side of a square is equal to 8 meter. So area of square is equal to side into side, that is 8 into 8. So 8 8 is 64 square meter. Get it? Next. The area of rectangular piece of cardboard is 36 square centimeter and its length is 9 centimeter. So what is the width of the cardboard? So same formula we have to use. Okay, it is just little bit modification will be there. See, the area of rectangle is 36 square centimeter. The length is 9 centimeter. We have to find out the width. So area of rectangle is equal to length into width, or width means breadth. Okay, so width is equal to area upon length. Okay, so what is area? 36. What is the length? 9. So 9 4 is 36. So it is 4 centimeter. Thus the width of the rectangular cardboard is 4 centimeter. Okay, now next example. Bob wants to cover the floor of a room 3 meter wide, 4 meter long by square tiles. If each square tile is of side 0.5 meter, then find the number of tiles required to cover the floor of the room. So see here, what it is a little bit lengthy example. But first of all we have understand what things given here. So this is the floor of a room.